To check which apps consume most of your battery in POCO M8 Pro 5G, it's an easy way to do it by opening battery settings. So go to the settings main page, scroll down, go to battery, and then all the way down. That way you'll be able to see the apps, and on each of them you can see the percentage, so that way you'll be able to find which apps consumes most of your battery. So if we click on the POCO launcher, it is our launcher, so that is normal that it used so much battery because it's our entire operating system mostly. So as you can see, it used 69.32% of battery from all of the apps that are down here. Also camera used a lot of it, as usual. Camera uses a lot of battery. There's also Theme Store that I had open for some time, Google Services, and Google Play Store. So you can check any apps that you like and maybe determine which is needed for you if it consumes a lot of battery. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.